This next statement may be hard to believe, but 1 in 10 people living in Chicago have now received the first COVID vaccine, according to the city. At first, it seemed improbable we would ever get to that point. And now we are alerting people as young as 18 with no underlying health conditions are getting the shot. It's all part of a strategy planned and promoted in a handful of communities. That includes Belmont-Cragen, where CBS 2's Marie Saavedra joins us live tonight. Marie.
Erica, we know that so many people out there likely spent hours frantically refreshing websites today trying to get themselves or a loved one who's now eligible for a vaccine an appointment. But we have learned that in key communities inside the city of Chicago, vaccine is available without having to follow those rollout guidelines. It started with our website, cbschicago.com, where a city worker clicked on news tips. They asked we withhold their name so they don't lose their job, but shared the city is providing COVID vaccines to 4 neighborhoods to anyone 18 years or older. No ID required. Could this be possible in an age of vaccine hunters and 1A and 1B? The answer is yes. Chicago's top doctor confirmed it.
We do not stick strictly to those phases.
Dr. Allison Arwoody says it's part of the Protect Chicago Plus program, which identified these 15 neighborhoods most in need of vaccine.
These are the communities that really have been hit hardest by COVID, have the most barriers to vaccination, things like not a lot of primary care, not a lot of insurance, a lot of underlying conditions.
Another factor, a lot of multi-generational households, which is why this flyer from the Chicago Department of Health invites those 18 and older living in Belmont-Cragen zip code 60639 to come get vaccinated. No ID or insurance required. It's happening at Steinmetz College Prep.
We will continue to provide vaccine while we continue to see those neighborhoods be able to catch up to what we're seeing across the rest of the city.
In writing to us, our tipster felt this was very wrong, saying her 64-year-old husband with underlying health issues can't get a vaccine. To those who feel these clinics are unfair, Dr. Arwoody says this.
Getting a higher, an equitable amount of vaccine into our hardest hit areas in Chicago, in turn, helps protect everybody in Chicago. So it's the right public health strategy as well.
There are 3 more neighborhoods with these 18 and up vaccination sites. They are, according to the Department of Public Health, Gage Park, North Lawndale, and one will be opening up tomorrow in Little Village. Now, I asked where these locations were, and the department did not want to tell me. Here's why. They say this is for locals only. They are going door to door in some cases or publicizing this through community organizations just to get it to those who really need it most in those specific zip codes and to keep everyone else out. Erica.
Okay, so Marie, you were mentioning the short list there. Does the city expect to set up more of these kinds of sites in an effort to stop the spread?
They do. It will be a rollout here, but they expect to put all of those 15 neighborhoods that are in the Protect Chicago Plus signifier there to get one of these 18 and over vaccination sites at some point. So again, keep in touch with the community leaders because that's how people will find out about them first.
All right, Marie Saavedra live for us. Thank you.